How's it going, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to install Trakt on your new build. It's fairly simple the way I have it set up, so anybody can do it. All you have to do is watch this video. Here's basically the new build. I've got it set up just the way it was before, with your live TV, favorites, your Wi-Fi settings, music, kids section, a sports section, your movies, with your add-ons, Neptune, Placenta, Dogs, Bullocks, Supremacy. We also have TV show with the same thing. System, which I'm going to get right back to in a second. As you can see, I have one that says Bb2M, one are your resolvers, and one is the Trakt. Right now, the Trakt section only has a playlist, episodes, and unwatched. Nothing is currently in there. We're going to add stuff, and it's also going to add 2 more categories once you're done. You're going to go back to your system, and then go up to Trakt, and open it. Now, how I have it set up is with all your steps that you're going to go through. First thing we're going to want to do is go to Trakt Authorize. Now, you're going to want to have your phone out, or a tablet, or a PC, and you're going to want to click on Authorize. You're going to go over to How do I authorize Trakt? Click on that, and you will see that there's a code. You're going to go to that website up top, trakt.tv/activate, and you're going to type in that code. Once you put in the code, it's going to ask you if you want to use Cody on your account. You're just going to click yes, and then that screen will go away by itself. And there you go. Authorization is complete. Now we're going to go down and authorize Placenta. Click it. And you're going to put that code into the Trakt also. And then you're going to authorize it also. And it goes away. Now you're going to come over to OK. Click OK to save them. You're going to back out. And you're going to do the same thing for Neptune. Click on it. And this time you're going to come over to Trakt and click where it says Authorize. Click it and enter that code. And authorize it. Go over to OK. Click it, and back out again. Now all 3 programs are authorized to use Trakt, but we don't have anything added to our library. So the next steps we're gonna walk through how to add your movies and TV shows. All you have to do is click Placenta and come down to your collection. On your remote, you're gonna press your context button. That's the button that has the 3 lines. It's going to bring up a menu, and you're going to add it to the library. Verify that it's okay, and it's adding it to the library. You're going to come down and you're going to do the same thing with the watch list. Press your contacts button and add it to library. Verify it's okay, and it adds it to the library. You're going to back out, and you're going to add your TV shows to the library. Go down to Collection, press your Contacts button, and add it to the library again. Are you sure? Yes. And you're going to do the same thing with the watch list. Contacts button, add to library, and yes, I am sure. Now back out again. Now all the placentas are already set up. You can also do Neptune the same exact way. Click on it, Contacts, Watch List, and same thing with the TV. I'm skipping that step just to save a couple minutes. Now go down to the bottom, step 8, and you're going to update your library. This is where it's a little bit harder. You click it, click on your files, and then for each one of these, you're going to do the same thing. Now I just set up placenta, so we're going to hit the Contacts button, go down where it says Set Content, click it, and since this is movies, we're going to set it where it says Directory Contains, and it contains movies. Click over to OK, and it's asked if you want to refresh information. Yes. What it does is it scans all your movies now and it's adding it to your library. This can take a minute. I only have a couple movies set up on mine, so it's pretty quick. The TV shows, on the other hand, are a little bit longer. So you're going to do this same thing with your TV shows. You're going to hit your Contacts button, and you're going to set the content. And same thing, except for here, you're going to tell it it's TV shows. Go over to OK. It's going to ask if you want to refresh information. You're going to select yes. And it's going to scan your TV shows. Now I've got quite a few TV shows in here, so it's going to take quite a while. First it scans them through the TV database, gets all the information, and then adds it to your library for each episode. It's going to do that for every TV show you have on your track list. It keeps track of when you've watched them and removes them from every other box that you have them connected to. It's a pretty good feature. I'm going to pause the video now and bring it back up when it's done scanning, because like I said, this does take quite a long time for the first time, maybe about 5 to 7 minutes for the amount of shows that I have. Okay guys, everything's added to the library. Now we're going to back out. And we're done with that menu. As you can see down at the bottom, we have now playlists, TV shows, episodes, movies, and unwatched. It's slowly going to populate your TV shows that you've added. As you can see, the TV shows is added first. And you can see that I have Game of Thrones, Pretty Little Liars, Adam Ruins Everything, Narcos, and Altered Carbon. If you go on your Track TV and you add a new TV show, it's going to add up on here. So say I wanted to add Notorious, it will pop up on there. Shortly after, it's going to pop up with your movies also. I'm going to power mine down just so it makes it a little bit quicker. Okay guys, I'm powered back up, and as you can see, I'm in my bar. And right now we already have everything added. So our TV shows are added and our added movies. And you can go up and you can look through them. And let's say you watch Downsizing in one room, it'll automatically remove it from the other box, and then any other rooms that you have set up to that same Trakt account. I hope you guys enjoy this feature and enjoyed the video. Thank you.